Hey my YouTube friends and family, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And in today's video, I'll be doing a house tour. So come along with me guys, let me know what you think down in the comment section. If you haven't done so as yet, please hit subscribe. Alright guys, let me take you on another house tour. So this is the entry porch. So let me take you inside. So this is gonna be a double door. And this is the foyer. So it's a 2-story foyer. It's gonna go all the way up to the ceiling. So as we enter, we're entering into the family room. So this is the family room. High ceilings. And to the left, we have the kitchen. So pretty much it's an open concept. Not a lot of walls. This is gonna be the kitchen. And off the kitchen, we have a wash area. So this is gonna be the laundry room. So there we have the washroom. And over here is gonna be a pantry. So from there we enter into the garage. So let's go back through this passage area. Back into the kitchen. And from the kitchen, we enter the dining area. So this is the dining area. And of course, large windows for natural lighting. And we have a door that leads to a back porch. So this is a back porch. So we're gonna have some steps here. So we see another planter box there, and there's another planter box over here. So let me take you back to the dining area, guys. So like I said, everything is open. So back to the family area. So this is gonna be the master bedroom. master bedroom. We have a closet over here. This is a walk-in closet. This is gonna be the master bath. So from the master bedroom, we have another bedroom over here. We have a reach-in closet. So back into the passage area. So this is a bathroom, guys. So 2 bedrooms are gonna share this bathroom. So let me take it to the other bedroom, sorry. So this is the bedroom at the front. So it's a reach-in closet as well. Windows, large windows for natural lighting. So let me take you back to the family area. So this is the family area, and we have the stairs to go upstairs. We have the stairs to take you to the 2nd floor. So take you up there. So this is gonna be a balcony. Well, this is a balcony. So we're gonna have the view of Black River, Treasure Beach. So this part is covered. And this part is gonna be uncovered. So of course railings are gonna be around this. We have the view of the mountain. So downstairs on the ground floor, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So this is the 1st floor. And this area right here is gonna be like a secondary family room. So to the back here, we have a back balcony. So this right here is a linen closet. So we have a linen closet here. Of course, you need as much space, as much storage space as possible. Over here, I think it's a bedroom. I don't quite remember. I think this is a bedroom. If I'm not mistaken. I'd have to take a look back at the plan. but I know for sure this is a bedroom. So of course, windows, lots of windows for the natural lighting, high ceiling. So we have his and her closet, his and her walk-in closet, and this is gonna be owner's bath. So let me take you back to the secondary family room. And off to the left, we have bedrooms. So we have a bedroom here. These are nice-sized bedrooms, lots of space. And there's another bedroom over here. And these bedrooms are going to share a bathroom. So this is a bathroom. So this is the common area again. I call it the secondary family room. So this is open to below. So that's the foyer down there. So you'll be able to look down and see the foyer. That's the main entrance. That's the double door that will be at the front. So let me take you back to the balcony. I absolutely love this view. Can you imagine I'm sitting out here in the evenings or in the morning? This view is absolutely amazing. In the far right corner, you can see Black River. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but you can see Black River down there. And up there is the mountain view. That's Monroe. You can see the windmills up there on the hill. So there we have it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Comment your favorite area of this house. And as always, thank you for watching. If you haven't done so as yet, please hit subscribe. And see you in the next video, guys.